Let's see. There is a little channel and it's called FSC. And when you're watching it, you'll watch off in me. You better hit that like and you better subscribe. But even if you don't, you'll have a good time. Hey guys, fun streaming time. So, this is the problem. This is Rogue Company. And so far, it's an awesome game. But this is what happens. You know, you don't win the first round, their whole team quits. I think in the new patch they're gonna start penalizing people. Of course, this isn't competitive, but that's another reason. It's like, why is everyone quitting? But anyway, so yeah, me and this other person, we bought the whole round 2-on-4. So yeah. Anyways, so what I think I want to do is I'm gonna do a series where I try every single one of these rogues. I'll unlock the other ones I haven't tried yet. So as you can see, the only one I've been playing is really Saint. So you can see I haven't even tried most of the other ones. So I'm probably not going to be good, but who cares, right? It's called fun streaming time, not we are awesome streaming time. So I think I'm just going to start right down the line. And I won't do Saint in this series because, you know, you can see my other Saint videos. Okay, anyways, let's do this. We're gonna try Strikeout. It's like the non-competitive mode. Maybe the team won't rage quit every single time. Yeah. Alright, let's see what happens. As usual, I got Dewey streaming with me. That's funny. Dewey. Alright. Alright. I'm feeling good. I've never played Anvil. So we'll see. If, you know, we'll see what happens. Come on, baby. Come on, load up. I hope the new Xbox has faster load times, honestly. Come on, baby. Come on. Alright. Anvil, it is. Okay. I don't know if I'm gonna die or not. You know what? I'm gonna try not to die. Oh, you load up. Okay. So he's got the barricade. Boom. Immunity EMP. Oh. Oh, that's cool. Shredder rounds deal more damage to equipment. Gain the ability to reload while sprinting. Don't have any heals for. Huh. That one looked interesting. Alright, Anvil's looking pretty tough. I mean, I wouldn't fight him in real life. Come on. Alright. Let's see. Oh, I don't have any sprays equipped. Anyways, okay. So what was this one? Okay, I actually... What's this, a shotgun? I'm definitely not going to use a shotgun.
Strikeout.
I'll take that.
Safety's off, weapons hot.
What's this?
I'll take that.
Whoa. I don't think I played this map. Look at that giant robot in the middle.
Lethal out.
Uh-oh.
Objective acquired. Defend it.
Thanks.
Where are these guys? Go!
Get me out.
Man,
Your lack of skill is obvious.
paper thin. Paper thin, man.
Need a hand.
I know, you need a hand, I know. But I need a hand. I need a hand too.
It's nothing. Get up!
Yeah, please. Down. Do it. How do you?
Deploying utility.
Wait, I can't shoot through it. Oh my gosh.
You started a
Alright,
fight.
alright. I guess I don't know how to use Anvil yet, but so what? That's the fun of this, right? Ah!
Enemies have control of the objective.
Okay.
Capture it.
Thanks.
Oh my gosh.
I'm down.
Yeah. Yeah. Uh-oh.
Five-
Ah! No!
Don't stand too close to the flame.
Wow. Okay, whatever. Uh-oh, here we go.
Running
Can I
low
tap him?
reinforcements.
Can I tap him? Nope.
I'm down.
Yeah. Come here. I'll get you up, baby.
Come on.
Oh, no!
Off.
Did I just pick up an AK?
Need a hand.
Yeah.
Honestly, how
All
do
that's
you...
left.
Deploying
No more
utility.
reinforcements available.
Lethal out.
Overtime.
Aw, you guys... You don't know what to do?
Lethal out. Need a hand. Get in there.
Aw. Oh, he's gonna res. Chuck reses. Why am I reloading? Why am I reloading? Look, they can taste
I
it.
can do this.
Or nice behind me.
Your lack of skill is obvious.
Probably shouldn't have left my
30
cover.
seconds left. Get to it.
Look at them, they're coming. Oh yeah, here they go. Oh no! I'm sailing!
Control of the objective. Defend it.
Oh, man.
Friendly's
Oh yeah.
eliminated.
Whatever.
That's gonna hurt the bottom line.
Alright, no one quit yet, that's awesome. What does it say? Respawn size and movement speed while aiming. That's cool. I feel like this is useless. I don't know. Ah, no, I didn't mean to get that! Oh, man. Whatever.
Deploying utility.
No!
Lethal out.
No, what the heck?
Yeah, I'm okay now.
Objective acquired. Defend it. Give me up.
Oh, man.
Objective lost. Let's get it back.
What's up, lady? What's up, lady?
Your lack of skill is obvious.
No, oh, here we go. Here we go. How do you break the... Uh-oh.
Lethal out.
You're definitely gonna flank right there. Oh, I'll just flank. There you go. Thanks, I'll just flank. Ah. No, uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Your lack of skill is obvious. Can't stop me.
Oh, gosh.
5 lives left.
No!
Get me up.
I tried that. Oh my gosh. That would have been a perfect place to put the barrier. What the heck, man? It's just the, you know,
Lethal out.
nuances of a new character, I guess. Oh look, my other thing's here. I think I'm gonna go right here. Do it! Are you serious? I pressed the buttons!
We're out of lives.
I had to hold them? I don't know. We'll see. Okay, now, let's try my slick little move.
Deploying
Yeah, you gotta hold.
utility.
Hold
45
them.
seconds to go. Get to it. We have control of the objective. Defend it. Enemies have 5
Your
lives
lack
left.
of skill
Keep up
is
the pressure.
obvious. Thanks. Come on, walk it off.
What's up, Jackson? Oh!
Lethal out.
Come on.
Objective lost. Let's get it back.
Uh-oh.
45 seconds remaining. Time is running out. Control of the objective.
That
Defend it.
ambush worked though. Alright.
We've been wiped out.
Whatever. I didn't do that bad. I died from... whatever.
We're behind. Focus up.
Alright, I guess we'll just... wait, what's this do?
I'll take that.
I don't know. See what happens. Yeah, take some spray paint. Woo!
Lethal out!
Lethal out.
Deploying utility.
Objective secured.
Nope.
Defend it.
Deploying utility.
Come on. I look... ah. No, 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 no. Come on. You can't get her up. I killed you!
I'm down!
Lethal out. Give me up.
Yeah, I'm okay now.
Wait, what? I'm trying to throw
Lethal
stuff?
out!
Enemies have the objective. Get it back.
Need help!
Yeah.
Lethal out.
So Anvil could just block an entire lane. Should be better at like defense, huh? Come on, baby. Aw, what's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? Look at me. Just wild shooting.
Back to it.
Up!
5 lives left. Let's make them count.
Oh, what's up? What's up now? Wow, his gun shreds though. His gun really does shred.
Lethal out!
Uh-oh. Oh boy.
I'm down!
Enemies are running low
Get
on
back in
reinforcements.
there.
Hey, I'm reviving you, man.
Where are they?
Can't stop me.
Can't stop this. Can't stop this. Oh no.
Objective
being
acquired.
like
Defend
babies.
it.
I'm sorry. I know, I am being a baby.
I needed that.
I want to do this. Boom! Boom! Why can't I use it?
Deploying utility.
Oh.
Need help!
Okay, come here. Come here. Come here, you need help? I got you.
Come on, wash
I got
it
you.
off.
Thank you,
We're out
teammate.
of lives.
Where are
Enemies
they?
have control of the
teammate.
objective. Capture it.
Come on.
45 seconds. Get in there.
Like American drink.
They're out of lives.
I'm
No,
down!
come on. Serious?
We have control
Get
of the
back in the
objective.
fight.
Defend
Yeah,
it.
get back in the fight.
Where are they?
I don't know. They gotta be coming.
I'm down!
Ah! What the?
5 seconds left.
Oh, come
Keep it up.
on. I didn't see that person. Oh, and that was my last life. I was being stupid.
We have control of the
Yay!
objective. Defend it.
We won that one.
We've destroyed the enemy force. Nice work.
We're behind.
Alright, we're doing Anvil.
Focus up.
We got the gun max. Increase damage. Reduce damage for children. Spread teammates faster. Reload while sprinting. I just have no idea. Whatever. I have no idea. Alright. I'm gonna block their lane. And I'm just gonna guard their lane. If there is one, I just don't know this map. How about this? Boom. Come on. Why can't I use it right now? Oh my gosh.
Deploying utility.
Lethal out!
Uh-oh.
Give me up!
Enemies
No,
behind us.
no, no, no.
Lethal out.
Lethal out! Enemies have the objective. Get it
That was
back.
the dumbest placement. The dumbest placement. Oh boy. Come on, Chop. The Chop can revive him, so...
Your lack of skill is obvious.
Oh, look at this. Look at this.
Objective acquired. Defend it.
Uh-oh.
Need help!
Okay, 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 okay. Buddy, 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 buddy.
Get back in.
No, 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 no. What's up? Uh-oh. There you go. There you go, Chop. Have a nice headshot for you. Oh, what was that? Oh, hey, 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 hey.
Give me up!
Need help.
I know.
We only have 5 reinforcements remaining.
Ooh. Oh yeah. There you go. Come here.
Lethal out.
Enemies have control of the objective.
You started
Capture
a fight,
it.
you can't win.
The enemies have 5 reinforcements remaining.
Need a hand!
Lethal out!
Enemy spotted!
Ah.
Lethal out!
Oof. Oh, there we go. There we go.
Objective acquired.
Oh yeah,
Defend
yeah.
it.
Take note. Okay, okay. Hold on. Hold on, baby. Use it. Use it.
Deploying utility.
Oh boy. Really?
Give me up!
Oh boy.
Out of lives.
Lethal out!
Oh my gosh, Doc.
Enemies have control of the objective.
Yeah.
Capture it. Enemies are out of reinforcements.
Oh wow.
Objective acquired.
What that? Who's burning me? Wait, my own teammate killed me?
45 seconds remaining.
Oh. Oh boy. Well, Blaze should be immune to fire. Right? Oh, she got the fire rounds. They're gonna turn out, Blaze!
30 seconds remaining.
Oh.
Faithful.
1v1, 1v1. Come on, you can do it. You can clutch it. You can clutch it. Oh boy, poison. No!
Control of the objective. Defend it. We've been wiped out.
Alright, it's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. You did good. You did good, team. Alright, let's see. Oh my gosh. Okay. So Anvil plays second. 1, 2, 3, maybe fourth for damage. Tied for fourth for eliminations. I mean, you know, first time playing Anvil, not too bad. It was fun. His little I thought the explosive thing was going to be a lot more useless, but that thing, you throw it and it blows you up. It's crazy. It's awesome. Okay, anyways. Now, let's see who we can play next. Alright, I played Chalk like for an hour, so probably like 5-6 matches. I played Dallas. Let me play someone else I haven't played yet. I'll save those other guys for last. I played Glitch like twice. I just really stink at Glitch, but you know, we'll see. I could see though how Anvil would be like super annoying, just locking down lanes like that. I've never played Ronin. Let's try it. I've been killed a lot by Ronin. Alright. Oof. Lancer always sneaks up on me. They got a sniper. Alright. We got a sniper. They got a sniper. Everyone's got a sniper. Come on.
I love a good challenge.
Alright, can she afford... wait. What do I do? Fire rate. Ah, which one? Assault rifle? I don't know.
Strikeout.
I'm
Eliminate
going
all
SVG. I'm gonna flank. I'm going full flank. Here we go. Full flank, baby. Oh, great. On a long distance map. Full flank, baby, on a long distance map. Actually, if I'm gonna full flank, shouldn't I flank? Oh, yeah. Come on. Where are they hiding?
Lethal out.
Come on, where are they hiding?
Enemies have control of the objective. Capture it.
Oh, there they are.
Man down.
Come on, baby. Oh my gosh.
This doesn't mean I like you.
Now I owe you a hand.
Full flank, baby. Nope.
A little help, please.
Come on. Oh, wait. You gotta peek, right? Oh, there we go. Oh, what? The snipered? That was not full flank. That was my
This is what
bad.
I do.
Oh, thank you.
doesn't
No,
mean I like
get me up.
Lethal out, flesh wound.
Oh, yeah.
I'm good.
Hey, help me out.
5 lives left. Make them count.
Uh-oh. Oh my gosh.
Enemies have 5 lives
you need a
left.
med pack.
Keep up the pressure.
Oh, you gotta flank the flanker, baby. Sorry, I don't know why I'm saying baby so much. Oh yeah. Yeah! Me and you. Come on.
I'm
Oh,
down.
stop crying. Oh yeah, here we go. Come on, here we go.
Help me out.
Oh, that's awesome. I don't like the way the buttons map for the... Anyways, I'll tell you later. For the sword. It's awkward. It's like, I'm running. Ooh. I'm running. Ooh. Oh, there we go. Come on. Hit. Oh!
Down.
She's got a shotgun?
Enemy
Oh, that's not
spotted.
cool.
This is what I do.
That's not cool.
I'm down. Enemy spotted.
We're out of reinforcements.
Yeah?
Overtime. Get that objective.
Oh no! She blaze shotgun me. I gotta try that, man. One shot
45
kill.
seconds remaining. Time is running
That
out.
is kind of slick.
Objective acquired. Defend it.
Wow.
We've been wiped
Wow.
out.
All right. I mean, let's look. How we do? Oh, I'm in last. Oof. Okay.
My favorite.
What's this do?
Enemy spotted.
All right. Gotta take out that blaze.
Utility out.
Lethal
Hey.
out.
How do you use her? How do you use her thing? Oh, okay.
Objective lost. Let's get it back.
What were you doing?
Oh, chance for that guy. Oh, my knight took out 2 of you! No!
Down!
Give me up, baby. Give me up, baby.
A little help, please.
Come on.
On your feet.
Thank you. Oh, thank you. Oh, what?
Enemy spotted.
Sorry. Uh-oh. Where's... Okay.
Utility out.
Help me out.
Well, I will.
I got your back.
Just the flesh.
Behind us.
Sorry.
What did you expect?
Oof, this is dangerous. Dangerous game. How do you... Alright, I don't know how to use the knife appropriately. Uh-oh. Here we go. Here we go. Uh-oh! Yep!
Enemies behind
Yep!
us. I'm
Oh,
down.
come on.
Enemies are running low on reinforcements.
I'm good.
Thank you.
We only have 5 reinforcements remaining.
Oh, no.
Down!
Oh, you little... Alright. We're not doing bad. We're not doing good. We're not doing bad.
We're out of lives.
I don't understand.
I'm down! What did you
Lethal
expect?
Hi.
45 seconds
Yeah,
remaining.
so I don't know how to
Time is
use the
running
knife
out.
right. First thing I do is throw the knife this time. Next round. In order to learn.
A little help, please.
30 seconds remaining. Let's move.
Didn't expect that, did you?
Oh, is he gonna clutch it? He's gotta kill it. You gotta kill like 8 people. Oh, he's dead. He's dead. Oh my god, yeah! Oh, what's up, Blaze?
Enemies are out of
I like it.
I
reinforcements.
can do this all day.
I like
10
it.
seconds left. Go, go, go!
Oh, you gotta get the objective, bud. Oh, look at that. That's not gonna... That's not great.
Objective secured. Defend it. Contract terminated. Enemies got the
No,
objective.
he did good, though. Alright,
We're behind. Focus
Wow.
up.
I'm stinking with her. Okay, whatever. What am I supposed to do? Cry?
My favorite.
Alright, that's cool. I don't know. Alright. Let's do this. Okay. I'm in the heat of battle. Next thing I know, I want to use this knife. Oh, that's easy. Oh, I get it.
Enemies have control of the objective. Capture it.
That's got like a hit. Oh, you see that? Hitting the wall. Ooh.
Utility out. You're better than this.
Oh, what's up?
What did you expect?
I'm not reviving you. You know? Oh, look at flanky, flanky. Uh-oh. Was someone on me? Ah, she's flanking. Oh yeah, oh yeah!
Five lives left.
I see, I was gonna play with my prey,
Finish the job.
and I died.
Utility out.
The enemies have 5 reinforcements remaining.
Yeah, and I got a knife. And I got a knife. So they should be, what, spawning right here? I don't know. Oh yeah, here she is. Oh my gosh. Wait, did you use teabag me? That shotgun, man.
Next time,
That
finish the
shotgun.
job.
You're all that's left.
Crazy.
No more reinforcements available. Objective acquired. Defend it.
Oh, here we go. The shotgun, man.
They're out of reinforcements.
behind. Down.
Finish the job.
That thing is insanity. Oh, thanks, man.
Next time,
Help me
finish
out.
the job. I'm good.
Ah,
45 seconds and this one's ours.
Can't do that.
Oh,
I'm down.
come on. I was trying to use my knife.
Objective lost.
That knife has
Let's
got
get
me
it back.
killed so many times. That knife lost us this whole match. Let's see who we got. Who we got left? Just a sniper? Oh yeah. See, that's weak. That
45
they gotta
seconds.
beef up this
Get
sniper
in there.
a little bit. Oh boy.
Objective secured.
Oh my gosh.
Defend it.
How?
Enemies eliminated. That's what I like to see.
Okay.
Enemies are on match point.
What's this? Oh my gosh.
My
That
favorite.
sounds awesome. Alright, let's do it. Let's go, team.
Utility out.
Wait.
Objective
Get
lost.
one,
Let's get it
one
back.
hit. Saint, I know you had your heal up.
Lethal out.
I know you had it up, Saint. I wouldn't waste a heal on me either.
This is what I do.
I thought I was supposed to get reloads. Come on. Uh-oh.
Objective acquired. Defend it.
Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, come here. Come on. You got this? You got this? Huh? Huh, please?
Medic down.
Come on, Saint.
Enemies have control
Use your
of the
drone.
objective.
Oh.
Capture it.
That is Saint. That's funny. So our snipers. Oh no. Oh, you're not. Oh no, you're not going down. You're my star player. You're my star player, baby. Yeah.
Don't tell anyone
Enemies
about
are running low on
Need a
reinforcements.
medic down.
Lethal out. I need a hand.
Get up, rogue.
We have 5 lives left.
Here.
No, I owe you one.
What did you
Oh, come on. No, oh, hey.
Done
Oh,
with
thank
you.
you.
This is
Thank
what
you
I do.
so much. Oh no.
I'm good.
Oh, okay.
Help.
On your feet.
Oh my gosh, I'm sorry.
I'm
Oh,
down.
I was dumb. That was dumb
Lethal out.
on my part.
They're out of reinforcements. Finish the job.
Help me out.
Utility out.
Ew.
Deploying lethal.
We're out of lives.
Done with you.
"45 seconds to go. Get to it."
Enemy spotted.
30 seconds left. Get to it.
She's blazing.
Objective acquired.
She's blazing.
Defend it.
Oh yeah, baby.
We've destroyed the
We're
enemy
coming back.
force. Nice work.
No thanks to me, I don't think. Let's see. Oh, still a bottom. Bottom tier. Oops, excuse me. What's this? Oh.
This will make a
give me some of
statement.
these. Yeah, they will. Yeah, it will. I agree. Okay, Ronin. First time playing Ronin. Let my team down.
Utility out.
That's cool. Oh yeah, you know what I'm gonna do. You know what I'm gonna do. That's a good way to
Enemies
die.
have the objective. Get it back.
Oh, I'm playing with knives. Playing with knives. Oh, hey, Saint. Playing with knives, get you killed every time, man. Don't ever play with knives.
Finish the job.
Not yet.
Okay, yep.
Done with you.
Lethal out.
I need a hand.
No! Just go, just run. Jeez. Oh my gosh.
I'm down.
Oh, Saint. Oh, Saint. Carrying. What?
Objective acquired. Defend it. We have 5 lives left.
Lethal out.
Enemies are running low on reinforcements.
Nope. Come on. Okay, get the knife. Get my knife.
Objective lost.
I'm
Let's
good.
get it back.
Oh, that handling. My bad.
Lethal out. I'm done with
Totally
you.
my bad.
Go here.
Lethal out.
Next time, finish the job.
Not yet.
We're out of lives.
Amateurs.
I can't do that.
You can though. You really can. Uh-oh. I hear it.
I need
I
a
hear
hand.
it. Oh no, the whole
Hostile
team!
secured.
What the
Defend it.
heck?
This is what I
Oh my
All that's
gosh.
left. No more reinforcements available.
Okay.
45
Lethal
seconds
out.
left. Keep it up.
I'm down.
Control of the objective. Capture it.
Oh, thank you. Awesome. Pick it up.
do. Lethal out.
45 seconds remaining. Time is
Lethal
running
out.
Oh, that's awesome.
I'm down.
Fun.
Let's go. Get up.
Fun. Where are you?
Thanks,
Where are you?
man.
30
Come on.
seconds. Finish the mission. Objective
Yes.
secured.
Deploying
Defend it.
Yes!
We've destroyed
That
the
is
enemy
awesome.
force. Nice work.
That's not nice. Don't do that. Don't do
You
that.
thought I was gonna lose?
That's awesome.
Yeah,
okay,
right.
so Ronin. Not too bad, man. Not too bad. Alright, we're gonna take a break. Sec. Let's just see. Nope, I still am in last place. But, you know, I've never played Ronin. I stunk. I was playing around. The stupid knife got me killed.